Assalamualaikum dostlar, kanalıma hoş geldinler. Andikin ben bugün sizlerge Mehellimizge Yaz Keldi dep hikayeni okup bermen. Hem İngilizce kördüğün adamlarga İngilizce tercüme okup bermen. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Epic Things, and today I'm going to read you the story Summer Has Come to Our Neighborhood. It's written in my mother language, Uyghurche. Başlayalım. Let's start. Yaz kelib hava istedi. Summer has come and the air has gone hot. Mehellimimizdeki güller beste edilip gitti. The flowers in our neighborhood are racing to bloom. Kızıl, sarı, halrang, ak ve sösün renklik güller poraklap edilgandi. Mehellimimiz mu tığımı çıraylık bulup gitti. Red, yellow, light blue, white, and purple. Colorful flowers have bloomed in our neighborhood. Our neighborhood has become even more beautiful. Her günü aşçan herler çıraylık güllerden şirine yığdı. Every day the busy bees go to the beautiful flowers and collect the honey. Rangdar kibinekler mu güller gepek amrak. Ular mu güller dekla çıraylık. Colorful butterflies also like flowers. They are also as beautiful as flowers. Yaz kelib Mehellimimizdeki kuşların balaları uçurma buldu. Summer came and the birds in our neighborhood's babies are starting to learn to fly. Hazır ular apıları ve dadaları bilen pırıldap uçup yurdu. With their moms and their dads, they are flying, hovering above the ground. Yana, tığı, bek, çıraylık, sayraydo. And they sing a very beautiful tune. Witchid, witchid, witchid, witch, choo, choo, choo. The boli mau hikayenin tügümü değil, bek uzak hikaye. Şununla ikinci katımda görüşüp hikayeni tügüteyli. Okay guys, this is not the end of the story, but on part 2, you'll listen to the end of the story. Hoş, bye, like and subscribe.